Hello and welcome back to Cosmic Change, the place where we explore the power of the mind and the secrets of the universe. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Today, we'll explore one of the most fascinating and life-changing concepts out there, the law of attraction. This ancient principle has gained immense popularity in recent years, transforming lives around the globe. In this episode, we're not just talking about the law of attraction in general. We are going to explore it through the lens of the teachings of Abraham Hicks, a source of infinite wisdom in this field. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or just curious about how you can harness the power of the universe to manifest your desires, you're in the right place. Get ready for a step-by-step guide that will not only explain the law of attraction, but also teach you how to master it in your daily life. So, sit back, clear your thoughts, as we embark on this transformative journey together. As we proceed into the world of the law of attraction, LOA, it's essential to understand its roots and the pivotal role played by Abraham Hicks in shaping modern interpretations. The law of attraction has been around for centuries, rooted in philosophical and spiritual traditions across the world. The basic premise is simple yet profound. Like attracts like. This means our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. In the contemporary era, few have done more to popularize and explain the law of attraction than Esther and Jerry Hicks. Their journey began in the 1980s, when they started delving into the mysteries of life and existence. Esther Hicks, in collaboration with an entity known as Abraham, whom she channels, has brought forth a wealth of knowledge on the law of attraction. Their teachings emphasize emotional guidance, the art of allowing, and the importance of feeling good as a cornerstone for manifesting desires. Abraham Hicks' approach is not just theoretical, it's practical, offering actionable steps to harness the law of attraction in everyday life. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. The law of attraction is often summed up by the phrase, like attracts like, but there's much more to it. As we delve deeper into Abraham Hicks's teachings, we find a treasure trove of insights on the vibrational nature of our existence. The philosophies adopted by Hicks encourage a harmonious alignment with the universe's infinite potential. This alignment is achieved through a conscious awareness and management of one's emotional landscape. By understanding the vibrational match between our feelings and experiences, we unlock the secret to deliberate creation. Hicks's dialogues with Abraham provide not only profound revelations, but also offer a blueprint for individuals to manifest their personal and collective aspirations. Their work illuminates the path to an empowered life, where one navigates through the power of intention and focused thought. In the context of Abraham Hicks's teachings, the dialogues with Abraham refer to Esther, Hicks channeling a group of spiritual entities that she collectively refers to as Abraham. At its core, the law of attraction suggests that our thoughts and emotions send out vibrational frequencies to the universe. Positive thoughts attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts bring forth negative experiences. It's like tuning into a radio frequency. What you tune into is what you receive. The law of attraction is also about the emotions and energy behind those thoughts. Feeling good and maintaining a positive emotional state are key. This is where many people get it wrong. They focus on the thought alone, without aligning their emotional energy with it. This is not a dialogue with herself, but rather, according to their teachings, a communication with non-physical consciousness that offers wisdom and guidance. Jerry and Esther Hicks have described Abraham as a group of evolved teachers who express their collective consciousness through Esther. The concept is rooted in New Thought philosophy and metaphysical beliefs about the nature of reality and communication with a higher consciousness. The teachings of Abraham through Esther Hicks have been foundational to the modern understanding of the law of attraction. Common misconceptions about the law of attraction include the belief that you can manifest anything simply by thinking about it, or that negative situations in life are always a result of negative thoughts. In reality, The law of attraction is more nuanced. It involves a deeper understanding of your emotional and energetic alignment, not just your thoughts. Let's move on to a practical step-by-step guide based on Abraham Hicks's teachings. These steps are designed to help you effectively apply the law of attraction in your life. 1. Recognizing desire. Step 1 is all about recognizing your desire. It's crucial to identify what you truly want, not what you think you should want. This means listening to your inner self and understanding your true desires. Abraham Hicks emphasizes that your emotions are a guide here. If thinking about something makes you feel good, that's a strong indicator it's a true desire. 2. Asking the universe. Next, ask the universe for what you want. This can be done through visualization, affirmations, or even writing down your desires. The key is to be clear and specific. Abraham Hicks teaches that the universe responds to our vibrations, so the clearer your request, the better the universe can respond. 3. Believing and visualizing. The third step is believing and visualizing. This is where many stumble, but it's critical. You must believe that what you're asking for is already yours. Visualize your life as if you've already received your desires. Feel the emotions associated with having them. Abraham Hicks suggests using tools like vision boards or guided meditations to help with visualization. Remember, it's not just about seeing it in your mind's eye, but feeling it in your heart. 4. Receiving and acknowledging. Step 4 is about receiving and acknowledging. Be open to receiving what the universe offers you and acknowledge it with gratitude. This step is often overlooked, but it's important to appreciate what you receive even if it's not exactly as you envisioned. Abraham Hicks points out that gratitude amplifies positive vibrations, attracting more good into your life. 5. Maintaining positive focus. The final step is maintaining a positive focus. The law of attraction is not a one-time practice, it's a continuous process. Keep your thoughts and emotions aligned with your desires. Avoid negative self-talk and surround yourself with positivity. Abraham Hicks suggests daily practices like meditation, affirmations, and mindfulness to help maintain this positive focus. By following these steps, you can effectively harness the power of the law of attraction in your life, just as Abraham Hicks teaches. Remember, it's a journey of self-discovery and alignment with the universe's abundance. Firstly, practicing daily affirmations is crucial. Start your day by affirming your desires as already fulfilled. For instance, say, "I am living in abundance and joy." Visualization is another powerful tool. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your life as you wish it to be. Close your eyes and imagine in vivid detail. What does your ideal day look like? How do you feel? This process helps in aligning your energy with your desires. Gratitude is a cornerstone of the law of attraction. Keep a gratitude journal and write down things you are thankful for every day. This shifts your focus from lack to abundance, attracting more positivity. Lastly, meditate regularly to clear your mind and connect with your inner self. This helps in reducing resistance and allows you to receive the guidance from the universe. Remember, the law of attraction is not just about attracting what you want, but also aligning yourself with what you aspire to receive. One common challenge in practicing the law of attraction is dealing with doubt and negativity. It's important to recognize that negative thoughts are natural, but they don't have to control your reality. When a negative thought arises, acknowledge it, and then gently redirect your focus to something that makes you feel good. Practice self-compassion and patience. The journey with the law of attraction is as much about personal growth as it is about achieving specific goals. Embrace the learning process, and remember that every challenge is an opportunity to strengthen your ability to manifest your desires. Let's take a look at some personal success stories. Sarah, a follower of Abraham Hicks's teachings, shares how she manifested her dream job. By visualizing herself in her ideal role and aligning her actions with her goals, she received a job offer that matched her aspirations within months. Another inspiring story comes from Mark, who struggled with financial stability. He started practicing gratitude and affirmations focused on abundance. Gradually, he noticed opportunities coming his way, leading to a significant improvement in his financial situation. Lastly, Emily shares her experience with attracting a fulfilling relationship. Through meditation and affirmations on love and self-worth, she attracted a partner who resonated with her desires and values. These stories exemplify the transformative power of the law of attraction when applied with consistency and belief. In conclusion, mastering the law of attraction with Abraham Hicks' teachings involves practical exercises like affirmations, visualization, gratitude, meditation, mindfulness, and positive self-talk. Remember, challenges are a natural part of the journey. They strengthen your manifestation abilities. The personal success stories we've shared highlight the transformative power of these practices. We encourage you to integrate these exercises into your daily life and remain patient and consistent. Explore these techniques further and discover the profound impact they can have on manifesting your desires. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge. We'd love to hear your experiences with the law of attraction in the comments below. Your stories could inspire others on their journey, so don't hesitate to share your journey and insights.